The OnePlus 12 is expected to launch in November in China. Its global launch may take place in January 2024. OnePlus 12 has revealed and will be equipped with Sony's latest Lytia camera sensor. OnePlus 12 confirmed to camera features: 50MP Sony Lytia LYT808, 64MP Omnivision OV64B telephoto periscope lens. The OnePlus 12 is confirmed to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The OnePlus 12 will feature the BOE X1 curved edge display, which will offer a 2K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and around 3000 nits of brightness. It is expected to draw power from a 5400 mAh battery that supports 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. It will come preloaded with Oxygen OS 14 based Android 14.